Let us read the theorem. If two segments from the same external point are tangent to a circle, then they are congruent. This is the circle O. This is the segment PA tangent to the circle at point A. This is the segment PB tangent to the circle at point B. The two segments are coming from the same external point P. Given circle O and tangent segments PA and PB. Prove segment PA is congruent to segment PB. We are going to prove the theorem using a two-column proof. In the first column, we are going to write the statements. In the second column, the corresponding reasons. The first statement is usually the given. So number one statement, circle O and tangent segments PA and PB. The reason is of course given. For the second statement, we are going to draw radii OA and OB. The reason is 2 points determine exactly one line. In a previous video in this channel, we learned that a line tangent to a circle is the perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. So here, segment PA is tangent to the circle at point A, and therefore it is perpendicular to radius OA. And segment PB is also tangent to the circle at point B, therefore it is also perpendicular to the radius OB. Let us write that. So segment PA is the perpendicular to radius OA, and segment PB is perpendicular to radius OB. The reason, a line tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Next statement, angle OAP is a right angle. It is a right angle because the segment PA is the perpendicular to the radius OA. And angle OBP is also a right angle. The reason, definition of perpendicular. If a line or a segment is the perpendicular to another line or another segment, a right angle is formed according to the definition of perpendicular line or perpendicular segments. Next statement, draw segment PO. The reason, 2 points determine exactly one line. Since this angle is the right angle, therefore triangle PAO is a right triangle, and triangle PBO is also a right triangle. The reason, definition of right triangle. According to the definition of a right triangle, a triangle is a right triangle is if one of its angles is a right angle. Next statement. Segment PO is congruent to segment PO. Segment PO is actually the hypotenuse of triangle PAO, and it is also the hypotenuse of triangle PBO. The reason, reflexive property of congruence. Let us just write reflexive property. Next statement, segment OA is congruent to segment OB, or radius OA is congruent to radius OB. Radius OA is a leg of triangle PAO, and radius OB is a leg of triangle PBO. The reason, radii of the same circle are congruent. Next statement, triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO. The reason, hypotenuse leg theorem. According to the hypotenuse leg theorem, if the hypotenuse and one leg of a right triangle are congruent to the corresponding hypotenuse and leg of another right triangle, then the two right triangles are congruent. Therefore, segment PA is congruent to segment PB. The reason, CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent.